Hello again, my friends. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your week 1 art activity to SeeSaw. So for the first step, after you finish your artwork, is to go into SeeSaw. I'm going to click that. That's down here at the bottom. And go into your appropriate class. Now, if you noticed, I'm in the sample class right now. You would need to be in the art class that you're enrolled in. So to get to your art class, if you forget how to do that, you just click your name up here at the top. And you scroll through all of your classes until you find the right one for whatever grade you're in and your art class. So again, I'm just using the sample class as an example. So to upload, the first thing you're going to do is press the big green plus up here. Okay? So I'm going to press that. There we go. And then you're going to come up to this screen. Now, if you already took a picture of your artwork, fantastic. If you haven't, you're going to click this photo button right here. You'll use your camera. You'll take a really good picture of your photograph. That means it's nice and straight in your picture. It doesn't have any weird stuff in the background. It's just your artwork. Or if you already took a picture of your artwork, you're going to press the upload button. That's what I'm going to press right now. You're probably going to have your picture in your photos, so I'm going to click that. And I'm going to use my example from the guided activity, the video that you might have looked at in one of the earlier slides in your Nearpod presentation. So I'm going to click this. There we go. That's the right one. Check. And once you get to this screen, you're going to write your artist statement with your artwork. Now, on the next slide in Nearpod, you're going to have what looks like a piece of paper that has 4 different questions for you to pick from. You have to pick 2 to answer about your artwork. It's like fill in the blank. It's really simple, and you can pick any 2 you want. Now, once you have picked your questions and you've written your answers, you're going to write them with your picture. You're going to write a caption. So let me zoom in down here. This little button that looks like the quotation marks, that's your caption button. I'm going to press that. All right, so a little bar popped up down here, and now I'm going to type out my answers. So if you press that, your keyboard shows up, and we can start typing, or you can press Add Voice Caption. So you have the option to record your voice reading your answers if you prefer to do that instead. I'm going to go ahead and type. So I'm going to pick questions number 1 and 3 on the next slide to answer about my artwork. So, number 1, I used blank lines. I used contour lines in my artwork because I chose the guided activity. You might have picked different lines. You could have had a different reason. That's fine. You plug in your information, and when you're done typing your first sentence, put a period at the end. I'm going to put a space, then I'm going to write my second answer. Remember, you only have to do 2. I'm going to pick question number 3. It is, I could make blank better. So I'm going to say I could make my handle better by drawing my lines neater. The lines of my handles are a little bit bumpy, so I'm going to say that, and I'm done. Once you're done typing, you can click back to your picture. Your caption's been added. It says that down here. And I'm going to press the big green plus up here in the corner to go to the next slide. Now, it's going to ask me to post to the sample students, but yours gets posted directly to yours, so you probably won't even see the screen. Also, folders pop up. I disabled all of the folders, so you don't have to worry about putting anything in a folder anymore. So, if you did it correctly, once you press that green check, it should go right back to this screen. You have your picture, and you have your artist statement right below it. Once you've done that, you are done for the week. And I will look through these and maybe even leave you a comment. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to teaching you again next week.